Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Majora's Mask easily. First, grasp the core mechanic, a repeating 3-day cycle. This cycle dictates all events and your progress. To manage this, learn the Song of Time early on. Playing it backwards slows time, while playing it normally resets the cycle, saving your progress and items. Focus on completing 1 or 2 objectives per cycle to avoid feeling overwhelmed. To truly master the game, make the Bomber's Notebook your best friend. It tracks all the important events and side quests, guiding your journey. Next, prioritize learning new ocarina songs. These melodies are crucial for slowing time, warping, and even resetting the 3-day cycle. Finally, experiment with the various masks. Each grants unique abilities essential for solving puzzles and progressing through the story. For smoother combat, aim to get the Great Fairy's Sword as soon as possible. Its power boost is significant. Don't rush out of Clock Town initially. Spend time exploring every corner to find hidden rupees, useful items, and crucial information from its residents. Your ultimate goal is to defeat the 4 main dungeon bosses, each guarding a specific region, to prevent the moon from falling and save Termina. As you progress, remember to deposit your rupees at the bank in Clock Town. This ensures your money is safe even when you reset the 3-day cycle. For the completionists, collecting all 20 masks unlocks a powerful final mask, offering a unique challenge and reward. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.